Hello students, welcome to Suraj School Bhiwadi. Today I Taruna Seni will teach you chapter number 7, that is factorization of algebraic expression. So firstly let us learn the meaning of factorization. What is factorization? Factorization or factoring is the process by which the factors of a composite number are determined and the numbers is written as the product of these factors. Means we will do the factorization means factoring. We will break the composite number into smaller number. Just like composite number, algebraic expression also have factors. So what are the factors, beta? A composite number is a number that can be written as a product of two integers. For example, if we talk about 14, so 14 can be written as 7 into 2. If we talk about 16, 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. If we talk about 9, we can write it as 3 into 3. So these are the composite numbers which can be factorized. So a composite algebraic expression is similar as it can be written as a product of two or more algebraic expression. For example, if you can see x cube, it can be written as x into x into x. For example, there is x is y square, it can be written as x into y into y. This is called factoring or factorization. So in this chapter, in this exercise, we will learn about the HCF. The HCF is the highest common factor of the two or more polynomials. Highest common factor of two or more monomials is the product of the common factor having greatest numeric coefficients in the common variables. So what is the first step? Find the numeric coefficient of each polynomial. Firstly, you will find the HCF of numbers. Firstly, you will find the HCF of numbers. Then you will find the HCF of variables. Okay. Firstly for the numbers, then for the variables. So let us understand. Let us study. First question. Find the HCF of the following polynomials. Exercise 7.1. Firstly find the factors. So 3y cube. How can you write 3y cube? 3 into y into y into y. Then 15y5. 15y5 can be written as 3 into 5 into y into y into y into y into y, in this manner. So you have to find the HCF. After breaking, just take the common. So what is the common number here? 3. And what is the common variables? Y, then again y, and then again y. So y cube. Smallest power you have to choose. So this is the HCF. So firstly break into prime factors, then do it. So let us start B part of it. 4xy square. So 4xy square can be written as 2 into x into y into y. Then 16x square y. 16x square y. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x into x into y. Okay, fine. Now we will find the HCF. So how we will find the HCF? 2 is coming both sides, and again 2 is coming, then now x is coming, then 2 times y. So 1 time y is common. So it is 4xy. In this manner you have to find the common factor. The common factor is called the HCF. Common factor is called the HCF. So in the C part C, what will you do? 21 x raised to power 6 y raised to power 7. So how we will do it? 3 into 7. Okay, x raised to power 6 y raised to power 7. Then 35 x 4 y 3 and z. So you can write it as 5 into 7 x y x 4 y 3 and z. And then 42 x raised to power 7 y 4 z 2. So 42 can be written as 6 into 7, then x7 y4 z2. So when you are finding HCF, just take the number which are in common. So you are watching here that 7 is common. 7 is common, and take the least power of variable. Least power of variable. So x6, x4, x7. x4 is the least. Then y, y7, y3, y4. So y3. Then z is not common, so z 0. In this manner you will find. Now the D part, D and E part also will be done in the same manner. Minus 2, minus 8, minus 14. So what is how we will break it? Minus 2 x square y cube z. So break it, minus 2 into x square into y cube into z, and then minus 8 x y4 z square. So it is minus 2 into 4 into x into y4 into z square, and then minus 14 x cube y5 z cube. So it is minus 2 into 7 x cube y5 and z cube. Now take the HCF. How we will find the HCF? Firstly take the common number. So what do you find? Minus 2. Minus 2 is the common. Then take the least power of the variables. Here the power of x is 2. Here the power of x is 4. Here the power of x is 1. Here the power is 2. Here the 1. And here it is 3. So take the least power, 2x. Here the power is 3. Here the power is 4. Here the power is 5. So it is y3. The power of z is 1, 2 and 3. So it is z. So you have to take the least power in the variables. Fine. So in the similar manner you will do this, like you can see minus 9, 18, minus 27, 45. So break it and take the least power. Fine. You will complete this question. Then you have to do the factorization. In the second question, what is to do? Do the factorization. So for the factorization, what you have to do, beta? You have to take the numbers in the common. You have to take the numbers in common. So 6x square y plus 2xy. So what are you taking common? Just break it. Just break it. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Now I break it completely. Okay, this is the simple step. You will break it completely. Then you will take common. So what is common here, beta? 2. What is common next? X. Common means which is lying in both the numbers. Then y. And what is left now? 3x. And here is nothing. So it is 1. So this is 2xy, and in the bracket 3x plus 1. In this manner you will find the factor. So in the B part also you can do the same procedure. 2x square minus 16x plus 24. So you will see what is common here. 2 is common. So x square minus 8x plus 12. In this manner you will do the factorization. And then what is common here in the C part? What are you watching here? Minus 4, minus 2. 2 can be taken as a common. In the C part, 2 can be taken. What is left here? Minus 2. Minus 2 is left. What is left here? 4 is left. What is left here? 1. Now take the least power of the variable. So when you take the least power of the variable x2, x3, x3. So what is the least power, beta? x2. And we have taken 2 as a common. And what is the least power of y? Here it is 1. So what is left? What is left over here? Minus 2. Here what is left? 4, x, y. Then here x cube, x square is outside, x is left and y square. In this manner you will do the factorization. For the factorization also you have to take the common factors. So what can you see in the D part? What is common? What is common here in this question? What can you see? Yes, very good. X, you are seeing x. X is there. So take x outside. So when we take x outside, what is left? Y is left. What is left? 3z is left. What is left? X. Okay. Then in the E part. E part. How do you perform this sum in the E part? 32 and 48. So you will break it. Okay. Both the numbers come in the table of 8. Both the numbers come in the table of 8. Also is 16. So we can take 16 as a common. 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48. So you just break it out. You in your notebook you just split it into the simpler terms. So how we will do? We will take 16 as a common and also the least power. So the least power x3, x2. So what is the least power? X square. Y4, y3. So what is the power? Y3. Then z2, z4. The power is z square. We will take. So what is left? 2 then x cube, x square we have taken, x is left, y4 y3 is left, y is left. Okay, and here 16 3 is a 48, x square we have taken, y cube we have taken, z square is left. Okay, so you just keep on breaking into the smaller parts, you just keep on breaking into the smaller parts, and you will able to complete the sum. You can see the m part of this exercise, m part. So here you can clearly see the common factors, that is 3x minus 5, and the least power of x, that is x 3. So what is left? X. Here 1. This is the answer. If we talk about the n part, so what are you watching here in the n part? X plus y is common, take it. So what are left? 4x minus 5y and minus 2x plus 3y. Now you can solve it. Okay, when the sign is of minus, inside sign will be changed. 4x minus 5y minus 2x minus 3y. So what is the answer? X plus y, 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x, minus 5y minus 3y is minus 8y. So what is the step in finding the HCF? You just split, make them equal, and take the common parts outside out of the bracket. I hope that you will try this exercise, and if there is any confusion you can ask me in the live lecture. Thank you so much.